Welcome to the 1 Minute Cooking Show, and today we've got an Uncle Darren classic, the Cranberry Apple Salad. It involves fresh cranberries, although you can use canned if you do prefer those, and also uses apple pie filling. Hope you enjoy the recipe. Happy Thanksgiving and bon appetit! Let's run through the ingredients. We need fresh cranberries, a can of apple pie filling, sugar, water, and some walnuts to garnish. Make sure to wash the berries and remove any that look a little strange. Going to bring the sugar and the water and the berries to a boil, and they're going to cook maybe about 10 minutes. They'll eventually start to pop open. They'll be making some hissing sounds, and once they start to break down, it's time to add that can of apple pie filling. At this point, the berries are pretty much done, but you can continue to smash them up against the side of the pan and break them down a little bit more. Going to do this cooking process with the apples in it for about 5 or 10 minutes. Then you're going to turn off the heat. You're going to let this cool a little bit while it's in the pan. Eventually, you're going to move it into your final bowl to let it completely cool in the fridge, and make sure to garnish it with some walnut chips.